Greetings to our brothers and sisters in the automotive aftermarket. It's the beginning of the new year, and somehow we are already in the month of February.
We felt it was important, as we begin to come out of the pandemic, to reaffirm our joint commitment to our industry's success. So today, we're here to share an update on what your aftermarket associations are working on together to protect your business from harmful policies,
To provide you the tools and knowledge to make our industry more efficient, and to utilize the collective power of our industry to advance your interests.
and we had great news to share recently when our co-sponsored bill, the Repair Act, was introduced. This federal legislation is what we need to secure consumer choice in the future of the aftermarket. And you will continue to hear from your associations on the right to repair fight at both the state and federal levels, and the need for us to stand up for our industry.
We also want to remind you that the fight is not over in Massachusetts. We are now defending, with the Massachusetts Attorney General's Office, the Right to Repair Act that was passed by 75% of the voters in court. And at the time of this recording, we still don't have a decision on the lawsuit that was brought forth by the automakers to overturn this momentous voice of the consumer. This is the greatest threat our industry faces, and the greatest threat that we face is the lack of action. So we ask you to get engaged. And when we say get engaged, here's what we mean.
On either of our websites, click. That's all it takes to send a letter to your legislator supporting Right to Repair and the Repair Act.
Forward that same link to your colleagues, post it on social media, and ask your companies to send company-wide emails and asking your peers to do the same.
Contact one of your associations to plan a facility tour or a virtual meeting with your representatives. We make it easy. And if you want to make a difference, this is the way to do it.
And don't forget to take advantage of the latest resources we provide for your businesses.
At Apex, we jointly publish studies on e-commerce as well as electrification in the aftermarket to give us authoritative forecasts and insights on how you can best turn these trends into opportunities.
And the studies that Paul mentioned, you can access either one of those studies on both of our websites. And of course, the joint annual forecast is also going to be released soon. Lastly, we know that the power of coming together as an industry and the challenges that we solve by doing so is unmatched by any other method. We are proud to report overwhelming support and valuable turnout at both Apex and HDAW. And we're looking forward to seeing even more of you safely in person at our upcoming spring conferences.
The Vision Conference.
And Auto Care Connect.
And as we work harder than ever to support our great industry that provides so much to all of our lives and to our economy, we ask for your continued support in the ways that we mentioned earlier. And
please just give this video a like, a share, use it as an invitation to your industry colleagues to help expand our influence on our collective future.
Your industry needs you now more than ever.
We will continue to be there for you, and your support to your associations is critical to your long-term success.
So we thank you, and we both wish you the best of health, prosperity in 2022.